Thank you, Kumari.
The seminar is being organized on March 8th, the International Women's Day. Of course, this issue of female feticide and the dangers of gender imbalance that it would cause in society if unchecked is already in the air throughout the nation. No doubt, it is a topic of national importance. The Karnataka Institute for Law and Parliamentary Reform, Kilpar, Bangalore, has been taking painstaking efforts to bring legal awareness on different social aspects by organizing seminars and workshops and thereby sensitizing the public about the burning problems and issues. In our taluka also, certain efforts are made here and there to bring some social awareness on female feticide. However, this is a need to bring a change in the perception of society by making persistent efforts. The MES Law College voluntarily joined hands with the Kilpar and has organized this seminar. The seminar mainly aims to give a thirst to the medico-legal aspects of female feticide and to reach out the cross-section of the society, the technicalities involved in it. Diverse professionals are brought on the common platform here today to unveil information on the topic. It is our good hope that the delegates will act as a change agents who can reach out the information of his accomplished personality. He is being played before you on the screen. My humble grasping of His Highness is that he is a man of deeds, not merely of words, an action-oriented person and a genuine human being with a capital H. I heartily welcome you, sir, on behalf of the first Director Kilpar, Shri Dakshina Murthy, President and members of the Modern Education Society and every Reform Bangalore, former Judge, former Secretary to Government Department of Parliamentary Affairs and Legislation, Government of Karnataka, a source of inspiration and a key person behind the whole of this event is with us to deliver the preparatory speech in the on behalf of the Modern Education Society. Hegde Kadekodi, our college subcommittee chairman, ex-president of the Balakedarara Hitarakshana Sangha Sirsi, known consumer activist, is a support to our awareness venture like this program. He is our guest of honor today. I affectionately welcome you, sir. Shri Shantaram Hegde, gynecologist, Dharwad. Shri Basava Prabhu Haskeri, advocate, Dharwad. Shri Veeresh Budihal, advocate, Bangalore. Dr. Mayuri and Dr. Raghavendra from Siddhapur are amidst us. I warmly welcome all of you, sir. Dr. Ambrose Chennai, Dr. Ishwar Bhatt, Mysore, may shortly join us. I hereby welcome the delegates, invited dignitaries, principals, teachers, subcommittee members of sister institutions, subcommittee members, well-wishers, NGOs, government officials, police officers, registrar and staff of the Kilpar. The power of pen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I also request you, Mr. Jiju Hegde, to please garland Shri Dakshinamurthy and present. Now I request the principal of our law college, Shri J.R. Pilgeri, to garland the president of our institution. Now I call upon Mr. Adik. Mr. Adik, please. Please garland the principal. You are also requested to garland Shri J.R. Telgi. Now I invite the first director,
North Canara. Mr. Principal, his team, students, delegates, dignitaries in and out of the dais. It has been my privilege to be before you to make this prefatory. With the permission of the chair, I have taken the, and for political reasons he could not be here today. Mr. H.K. Patil has been the engineer of this organization, the Karnataka Institute for Law and Parliamentary Reform. And so, we would always make it a point that he should lead the deliberations at each one of these seminars. So it is for me now just to put it in brief words what KILPAR intends about bringing about awareness and higher learning and how we are associating with these distinguished law colleges spread over all parts of the state. This seminar on female foeticide and gender imbalance, it projects rather a very sensitive and sensible issue, a very current socio-legal thought that needs to be tackled. Day in and day out, you are seeing reports flowing in about exploitation of women in society. I was amused to find in one report that this exploitation of women is not confined merely from cradle to the grave, but it goes even beyond from the stage of the foetus. I am not going into the ramifications of this subject because the seminar is going into the depths, breadths and depths of the issue. The social apathy that has come through the ages, has now resulted in a situation that we have got to take stock of what is happening around us. The problem of gender imbalance is posing issues not only human but also social, economic and even political. Human rights essentially constitute women's rights, and it's not strange to say that women's rights constitute the core of human rights. So rightly with us, we have today Honorable Justice S.R. Naik, Chairman of the Karnataka Human Rights Commission, a versatile personality who has come through the stages of advocacy, who has grown up as a High Court government pleader, a judge of the High Court, Chief Justice of the High Court, and then as the principal, the Vice Chancellor of a national law university, and now occupying this prestigious position of the Chairman of the Human Rights Commission. I think it is a happy auguring that he has been with us today. About this seminar, KILPAR has been organizing seminars throughout the state, as I told you, with a view to bringing about awareness and promoting higher learning. We have held very many seminars in almost every part of the state in association with the law colleges in the state. Now, the Modern Education Society, CIRSI, a veteran institution, engaging in social service and the service of educational needs of the society right since 1962, catering to all the fields of education, arts, science, commerce, engineering, management. Within a short span of about 10 to 12 years, it realized the need for ushering in legal education, and right since 1975, the MES Law College has been in existence, building up prospective lawyers and jurists. It's also a matter of pride to say that this place is a place of intellectuals, the North Karnataka district of the state. Justice Sabahit, I gather, comes from this place. Mr. Yammal Hegde, who is the present state election commissioner, he hails from this place, and many more whom I gather. It's a matter of privilege and pleasure to be occupying this dais today to address this seminar involving the luminaries and the resource persons who have been here to cover the topic of the seminar threadbare. So, with these few words, I would just conclude with an invocation to look forward that the message of this seminar, the compilation, the condensation of the deliberations of this seminar will be taken in right by the delegates present here and the student community that is also a part of the delegation here to appreciate the seriousness, significance of the issue. Not only this, of the many more socio-legal issues that may come up in like platforms here and elsewhere, and to spread the message of awareness and to spread the importance of law, the importance of the system of law, its utility to the society, however bad it may be today, but that is our only succor, and that message has to reach to the common people that obedience to law should be their first duty, and at the same time the legal system shares its responsibility, the onerous responsibility of ensuring socio-legal development in all walks of human life. There is no purpose to law unless social development is recorded side by side with the progress of the system. So with these few words, I would, with the permission of the chair, I would make way for the inaugural event that Honorable Justice.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful prefatory address.
Messages are sent by following dignitaries and principals of college have sent the message wishing the function a grand success. Professor G.N. Prabhakar, Principal, Shri Dharmasthal Manjunatheshwar College of Medical, Dharwad. Principal, Arts and Science College, Honavar. Principal, Divekar College of Commerce, Karwar. Principal, Anjuman College of Women, Bhatkal. Principal, V.S. Law College, Bellary. Principal, Sharda Vilas Law College, Mysore. Principal, RKM Law College, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Principal, Sheshadripuram Law College, Bangalore. Principal, Kempegowda Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Honorable Justice Shri S.R. Naik is inaugurating one-day national seminar on female feticide and gender imbalance in medical legal perspectives. Thank you, Mr. Justice Shri S.R. Naik. Thank you, Mr. K. Somshekhar, Honorable District Judge. We also thank President of Modern Society, Shri Shantaram Shigeli. We also thank Shri G. Dakshinamurthy, the first director of Kilpar, Bangalore, Shri G. Varakuri. Madam Saraswati Kosamhar, the woman judge, because it's a Women's Day today, March 8th. So we are giving representation to the lady judge, Srimati Saraswati Kosamhar, to light the lamp and thus inaugurate. Thank you, Madam Kosandar. My Lord, please address the gathering.
ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸಿರ್ಸಿ ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ತಮಗೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನು ಸುಖ ಶಾಂತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರುವ ದಿವಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ